YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Welcome back to the channel. Right now we back up in the lab ski with it. What is it? It's 9:57, 9:58 in the morning right now. Go ahead, peek out the window real quick. You feel me? We at the setup. We in the lab, as I had said, because I got a little project that I actually want to work on. This is something that I've never done before, and I want to see if it's going to work out the way I got it envisioned in my head. I'm gonna come over here, grab this, and do y'all see this? This is my old iPhone XR that I was using back in the day. Although it looks clean, it looks good, you feel me? It's not. The back looks good. The back is in mint condition. But the front, on the other hand, y'all can't really see it too well. It looks good. I'm gonna turn this light on, adjust it a little bit, come down here. And do y'all see this? Do y'all see what is going on here? This phone is cracked up. I'm telling y'all. This is bad. It's that ass a chunk missing out the phone right there. Like somebody took a bite out of it. It wasn't me that took the bite out of it, but it's a chunk missing out this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, man. I miss this phone. I do. It's been a minute since I really got to use this phone and all that. And the only thing that is wrong with it is the screen and the battery. The battery needs to be replaced and the screen needs to be replaced. So those are the only two things up on the agenda for this project. This shouldn't really be a hard project at all, to my knowledge. But to show y'all that this phone is working but broken at the same time, I got this charger over here. My AirPods connected to it right now. You feel me? Take that off the charger. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the charger. You feel me? Charger connected. Let's wait for it to do what it do. Hold up. Yeah, there we go. Can y'all see it? Y'all can't really see it like that, but y'all see those lines in the screen right there? It's real hard to tell, but do y'all see that? Yeah, y'all seen that. Take a look at that. Y'all clearly see it right there. Y'all just heard the charging effect. Y'all kind of see my clock a little bit. So y'all already know what the deal is, man. I mean, at least I hope y'all do. Y'all already know where we gotta go next. Y'all know the drill ski. We got the cart all pulled up right here. And what we have in the cart, we got an iPhone XR 16 800 milliamp hour battery with an iPhone XR screen replacement. You feel me? I'm gonna get these parts all ordered up. They should be here in the next 3-4 days. Probably not even, probably 2 days at that, because we got that prime shipping. Craziest part about this too is I'm doing this all for just under $50. You feel me? I just need a screen replacement and a battery. A regular shop would have charged me $150. You feel me? So yeah, I'm really DIYing it here myself. But yeah, so I'm gonna get these parts all ordered up, and yeah, I'm gonna be with y'all when we got the parts. One thing I also did want to do, because I know y'all peeped this shit right here. I know y'all peeped this dirty ass mouse pad. We're gonna clean that right now, actually. So we got the mouse pad all cleaned up, as y'all see right here. No dirty spots, no residues, no none of that. It's completely clean. You feel me? This looks amazing. You feel me? Especially with this wallpaper I got going on, and it matches this mouse pad as well. The blue colorway inside the PC, you know what I mean? Feels a lot cleaner and just smooth in general. Feel me? My mouse glides around a lot more easier. I'm about to end up playing this scary ass game right here too. Backrooms Escape Together. Yo, I played a little bit of it. This shit is scary and fun as hell at the same time. It gives off hella scary vibes, horror vibes, and just overall thriller all around. You feel me? The graphics of this game are insane though. Like, this shit actually looks really in the back rooms. I'm saying that little creature looking thing chasing you right there with them weird ass looking legs and shit, man. Like, yo, it's just mad like adrenaline pumping through your veins when you playing this game. I'm telling you, I advise y'all play this. I'm about to run this shit up right now. So we back up in the lab ski, as y'all see, and look at what we got. Yes sir ski, we got that package to go ahead and finish that phone right there. It's currently also 7:10 in the evening right now, and man, was it a long ass day. Not to mention your boy had work today. You feel me? 8 hours long. I was dead for all of it. I'm exhausted, if y'all could tell by my face. But we still gonna do this because I still need content, and I'm still gonna put it out for y'all regardless. Let's do this shit. Alright, y'all, so currently 12:30 right now. I'm just about done with this, currently getting it to do the whole restore process and update process, and you feel me, get it out of the recovery mode and all that. Hopefully I can get it out of that. When it is in this mode right here, this can be known for being very hard to get out of this mode right here. It did something. It just did something. What is it about to do? Is it going to turn back on? Oh shit. Alright, y'all, so I'm not really having too much good luck with this phone right now. It's still stuck in recovery mode. I can't get it out of recovery mode. I've been looking up videos, I've been troubleshooting, I've been testing things, I've been doing as much as I can to try to get this out of recovery mode. And you feel me, I've been kind of stomped, I ain't gonna lie. Like, it's been a couple days since I really picked up the camera. I think it's been 2 or 3 days since I picked the camera up and I really came in the lab. Y'all don't know that, but I'ma just keep it 100 with y'all and tell y'all that. But I've been stuck on this phone, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm gonna go to turn it on right now. It'll turn on and you feel me, it's gonna act like it's turning on, but then it's gonna go straight into that mode, you feel me, recovery mode. And I'm gonna be 100. I don't know whether or not I shorted something in here or not. Hopefully I didn't. I feel like I didn't, but then again, there's also a possibility that I could have, but I just don't know. But I really feel like I didn't, bro, because then again, I feel like the phone would give me like no sign of response at all. At first, I was thinking it may be a battery issue, and while that still may be the case, I was doing some research, and I just want to do something real quick. I want to test one other thing. Get up in the whip, man. Yeah, I see where we at. We low-key just gotta grab one thing. Back in the webski, got what we need. A charger for the iPhone. This shit was $13, by the way. That is super expensive for a charger. What the hell? All right, so we back up in the Labski. We got the new charger right there. Charger is connected to the AirPods, you feel me? And just to confirm that it works, the orange light is on the AirPods to indicate that it is charging. So you feel me? That's good. This charger is working. Now, I did see on a video when I was doing research, I seen that this guy said to put the phone into DFU mode while it's also in recovery mode. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get the iPhone all plugged up to this charger, and I'm going to see if it pops up within my Finder on my MacBook and go through all the steps. And hopefully, just hopefully, fingers crossed, we can reinstall the operating system on that iPhone. All right, so we're over here on this website on the MacBook now. I watched the video. The guy told me to go here. And what this is this is basically a restore file. So that way we can go ahead and transfer that file over to the phone, and then it'll go ahead and restore itself by basically cloning and, you feel me, restoring the operating system and reinstalling an entire new operating system on that device. All right, y'all, so we currently are on to the next method. The first method that I tried, where I tried to grab the file and then from there on transfer the file to the iPhone, did not work. That left me stomped as well. So I did some more research and I found this software right here. Basically what this is it is a repair recovery software, but I tried to exit out of recovery mode and that's just what it's giving us right there. Failed to exit recovery mode. And now since I basically tricked itself and forced itself to exit recovery mode through this app, it's now not going into recovery mode anymore, but instead what it's doing is it's giving me an infinite boot loop. So yeah, it'll just show the Apple logo for like 5 seconds and then turn right back off and continue doing that same thing. Boys, we're cooked. Just look at how it's crashing though when it turns off. It turns off as if it's like crashing. Y'all see that? Like as if it just like crashed, like the iPhone just crashed, you feel me? Like an unexpected fucking crash just happened. I don't even know. It like glitches when it turns off. Y'all see that? That may be that Chinese-ass Wuhan battery. Y'all peep that? Alright, y'all, so we back up in the room ski with it. As y'all see, I just got off work, you feel me? So, yeah, I'm excited to be off work, bro. It was a long-ass day. I do indeed have a package, though, and I've been waiting for this. I ain't gonna lie, because It's becoming that season, and I copped this. It actually got here mad quick. I ain't gonna hold y'all. It got here dumb quick, but I just been waiting because this is super fire. It's not even really nothing like setup related or electronic related. It's actually something fashion related. If y'all didn't know, I'm into fashion heavy too. I mean, look at what's behind me in the closet. Y'all peeping that. Y'all feel me? But yeah, I'm about to bust this open and all that. Yeah. Y'all see what was up in the box with it? You feel me? I've been waiting, dog. I've been waiting. This is some super fire heat right here. I'm telling y'all. Let me get that opened up. Heat, y'all. This coat is some super fire heat. The fitment is perfect too. I already tried it on, bro. The fitment is so tough. You feel me? It fits like my exact body shape. That is so tough. I love this design on the back. Your computer can't smile. Brain dead. All right, y'all. Y'all know what the word is. Y'all know where we at with it. You feel me? I really didn't want to work on this phone no more because of what it's doing, but I feel like we somewhat made progress considering it's not going into recovery mode anymore. It's just boot looping itself over and over again with Apple logo. One last thing I want to try before I call it quits with this phone. I want to buy a new battery because I feel like this Chinese battery is just not cutting it. It's not doing its job. It's not doing what it's supposed to do, bro. I have been real frustrated up on this project recently. I cannot lie. One thing that I am sticking true to myself about, and that is the motive, and this goes for anything and anybody, is if you're frustrated, take a break, go to sleep, and come back to that shit the next day. I promise you'll figure that shit out. YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? New day, and y'all already know what that means. You feel me? From the last clip, I told y'all we was going to order the new battery for that phone. We got the new battery right here, and we're gonna get it up in the phone in just a second and see what that do. You feel me? Hopefully, this battery was the only issue that was persistent on that phone, because if it wasn't, I ain't gonna lie, I really don't know what else it could be. If I can't fix this and get this phone powered on and working right how it should be, then this project itself is just gonna be scrapped, but the video is still gonna be uploaded. Without further ado though, we're gonna switch to that top-down camera, we're gonna stop talking, and we're gonna get straight to work, you feel me? Because this is already something that's been in the works for a minute now, and I gotta get this done, so let's get it. Y'all, so I'm super excited and happy to see the results we got out of that battery and just out of swapping out the hardware that was in that phone. We got the phone now on in a stable state. It's working perfectly fine. I can go ahead, I can touch it, I can interact with it, and the screen is working fine. The 3D touch is working fine. The volume is working fine. I can swipe from video to video. Everything is working, you know what I mean? Hey, I ain't gonna reveal too much about what's on this screen right here, but if y'all know, then y'all know, you feel me? I got more content on the way. Ain't gonna say too much though. I'm super excited that this is really on and functioning. And just to show y'all that everything is functioning how it's supposed to be with this phone, we can go ahead and switch from app to app. You know what I mean? Smoothly, everything like that. Go ahead, open up Control Center, adjust the brightness, adjust the volume, go ahead to here, 3D touch is working, turn on Do Not Disturb, go in here, turn on dark mode, turn that off, you know what I mean? Go back to the settings. So glad that I actually got this working how it physically should be, you know what I mean? And here is the old battery that came right out of this phone. It's not even the old battery, bro. It's the new old DOA battery, you know what I mean? Like, this shit was dead on arrival. I don't know what was good with it, but this wasn't working for nothing. But that just goes to show you right there that, as I said a couple clips ago, if you stay true to yourself, you stay consistent, you stay motivated, just stay on top of it, you will eventually get that shit. I promise you. Like, look what we just did here, bro. We got updates and shit going through the phone. You know what I mean? Hey, that is going to be the conclusion of today's video. I hope y'all did enjoy it, as this was one hell of a video, and I thought that it was going to be one hell of a scrap as well. I thought we wasn't going to be able to get this phone working at all. I gained some experience. Hopefully I could be able to do more projects like this in the future. You know what I mean? But yeah, I hope y'all did enjoy though. If y'all did, show some support. You know what I mean? Like the video, subscribe, do what y'all gotta do. You feel me? Definitely not entitled to, but I appreciate all the support I get. You feel me? But yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.